Are you tired of technology decisions that solve one problem today but create 3 more tomorrow? Welcome to Master the Blueprint, Contextual Understanding for Business Success. In this course, we're moving past the myth of perfection to show you how the world's most successful organizations actually build for the future. You'll learn how to escape the Aloof architect trap, bridge the gap between business needs and technical tools, and use domain models to stop the chaos of too many cooks in the kitchen. Whether you're a leader, a developer, or just curious about how big businesses stay organized, this guide will give you the tools to build a connected city that's built to last. Your journey to smarter, faster, and more sustainable decision-making starts right here. Let's dive in. In the fast-paced world of business technology, we often chase the perfect decision. But as our guide shows us, perfection is an illusion. Real-world architecture is built on trade-offs, like choosing speed over maintenance or cost over security. When we fall into siloed decision-making, we rely only on our own narrow experiences. It might solve today's problem, but it often creates 3 new ones for the rest of the company, leading to broken data and overlapping systems. The gold standard is contextual understanding. This means shifting our focus to the big picture, investigating the background, knowing our constraints, and considering who else needs the solution. By looking at the why and the how and planning for the impact 5 years down the road, we move beyond just getting it done to ensuring long-term survival for the entire enterprise. If capabilities are the building blocks of a company, then the architectural domain model is the blueprint that groups them logically. In the past, IT used a rigid 3-tier model: presentation, logic, and data. It was simple, but often too stiff for a complex business. Modern enterprise architecture uses a more flexible approach, where we group things into domains, like marketing or infrastructure. These domains can interact freely to support a real-world process. Take emailing a customer. This process draws from the customer management domain for the address and the infrastructure domain to actually send the mail. Success here is an art form. It requires a common language so that everyone uses the same terms, and distributed accountability so that everyone knows who owns what. By establishing clear definitions and responsibility, we avoid the chaos of too many cooks in the kitchen and ensure our blueprint actually leads to a well-built organization. We've seen that the secret to great enterprise architecture is moving from the myth of perfection to the power of contextual understanding. We avoid the aloof architect trap by choosing to be aware, collaborative, and humble. By mapping our enduring business capabilities, the what, we separate them from the ever-changing how of technology, preventing duplicate tools and wasted money. We use domain models to create a shared language and clear accountability across the company. Finally, we balance speed with context through time boxing, ensuring we take calculated risks rather than falling into analysis paralysis. The result? Your business becomes a connected city, built on a solid foundation and ready to survive any future challenge.